G-Vox was founded in 2012 and is located in Jiangxi, China. Have a general investment of $5 million USD and have our own industrial park with a plant area of around 50,000 square meters. G-Vox has great financial and material supply resources. As a professional and experienced vehicle camera system supplier and Tier 1 automotive manufacturer, we are IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, because of large overseas markets, most of our products have got E-Mark, CE, FCC, IP69K certificates. With R&D and sales team in Shenzhen, China, we provide OEM and ODM services for customers from all over the world. Our main product range consists of camera system, DMS, ADAS, 360 AVM system, and BSD system for all kinds of vehicles. If you have any inquiries or concerns for the products, please contact us. We will be happy to work with you and finally bring you our great vehicle visual safety solutions. We always take reputation as first place, get strength from technology, making progress by producing quality products.